Well, hi, this is Max with Make Money with Max Online, and this little video is just a short one to show you guys the advantages of working from home and being able to go anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm in a lonely place right now, but the beauty about this whole thing is that I can work anywhere. This is just proof. As long as I have internet, I'm able to work from home, work from a office building, work from a place I'm waiting for my wife for. You can work anywhere there is good internet, including sharing your own internet from your phone. You can do that on your tablet or your computer. I take my computer with me and enjoy being able to do these videos and teach people the advantages of working from home. I'll give you another nice little area here. This is where I go to church at, and pretty nice. So right now I'm just working off of the table here, waiting and doing some editing and checking out my stats. My YouTube channel is growing quite a bit. One of my videos is already advanced to 1,400 views in just 5 days, 6 days. So not bad. This is what this whole course is all about, teaching you how to make money, how to advertise and have those advertisements or videos or whatever you use be successful for you. So try it out. Go down to the description below, click on Make Money with Max Online. Also, don't forget to click on subscribe down below, ring the bell, and we'll send you some notifications when we're upload more videos. Talk to you later.